What is Hajj, and why is it important? Hajj is the major pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, which means it is a religious duty for every adult Muslim who is physically and financially able to perform it at least once in their lifetime. Hajj is fard, obligatory, and must be performed once in a lifetime by those who are able. Allah says in the Quran, and due to Allah from the people, is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find thereto a way. It is performed during the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah from 8th to 13th. Hajj includes ihram, intention and clothing, tawaf, circling the Kaaba, sa'i, walking between Safa and Marwa, standing at Arafat, Mina, Muzdalifa, stoning the devil, Rami, and animal sacrifice, Qurbani. Before starting, intention, niyyah, and ihram. Wear special white clothes and make the intention for Hajj. Say, Labaik Allahumma Hajj, O Allah, I am here for Hajj. Day 1, 8th Dhul Hijjah. Perform tawaf around the Kaaba. Perform sa'i between hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times. Travel to Mina to stay overnight, pray there. Duhr to Fajr. Day 2, 9th Dhul Hijjah, day of Arafah. Depart from Mina. Go to Arafah. Stand and pray at Mount Arafah from Dhuhr to Maghrib. Go to Muzdalifa at night. Pray Maghrib and Isha. Sleep there. Warrington no. Collect 49 or 70 pebbles for stoning later. Day 3, 10th Dhul Hijjah, Eid day. Return to Mina. Stone the big pillar, Jamra al-Aqaba, with 7 pebbles. Slaughter animal, Qurbani. Shave or cut hair. Change out of ihram. Go to Mecca for Tawaf al-Ifada. Tawaf, circle Kaaba 7 times. And sa'i, walk between Safa and Marwa. Days 4 to 5, 11th and 12th Dhul Hijjah. Stay in Mina. Stone all 3 pillars, Jamarat, each day with 7 pebbles each. You may leave after the 12th or stay one more day, 13th, to stone again. Last step, farewell tawaf, tawaf al-wada'. Before leaving Mecca, do one last tawaf around the Kaaba. Why is Hajj important? It is a symbol of submission to Allah. It promotes brotherhood, as Muslims of all backgrounds stand together. It is a journey of the heart, not just a physical trip.